How can we generate images like in Comfy UI, but more simply with TensorArt? Well, let's take a look. We'll go to Create and select Workflow Mode, which is how we'd use Comfy UI. It's amazing to work with workflows, and in my view, Comfy UI is one of the best image creation tools out there. In fact, we have a full Comfy UI tutorial on our channel if you want to check it out. Now we'll create a new workflow. You'll see various templates for different functions, but we could start with a completely blank template. We'll use a blank template so you can learn how to build anything from scratch with these workflows. What you're seeing on screen is a basic workflow to create images easily without being an expert. Obviously, when you open a new workflow, it'll be blank. I'll show you how to add each of these options. So, how do we add the options? Double click anywhere to open the node finder. Nodes are these sections. Just search for the ones I've added. Unloader, toClip text, empty latent image, case sampler, VAE code, and save image. I won't explain each section in detail. If you want to know how they work, we have a video on the Comfy UI channel that goes in depth on what each option does. If you want to create your own image, first we'd have the empty image, which we connect to the case sampler's latent image. This basically determines the format of our final image output. Next, we have the loader where we can choose our preferred model. I use FluxTep, but you can select any of these models you see here and connect it to the case sampler. Then we'd connect the text, that we want as a positive prompt to the sampler. This is what we want in the image. For the negative, we'd put what we don't want, like text or watermark. Once we've connected this and set our desired prompt, remember, always use English prompts for these AI systems. We'll move to the final step, connecting the latent to samples in the VAE code and linking this VAE here. With that connected, we'll link the clip to the clip encode, okay? Then the text encode, add another from the same clip to text encode, and finally connect image to image from VAE code to save image. With everything connected and prompts set, we simply need to execute it. This will create our first image easily using this super basic yet functional workflow. You can make workflows as complex as you like, explore different types, and even improve your images with advanced techniques. With this workflow, you can take an image and create an upscale section. As you can see here, we have upscale. Click upscale image to easily scale your image. Just connect image to image from this upscale, and it'll significantly improve your image quality. By experimenting and tweaking things, you can achieve a lot. Let's hit run, and as you can see, it's already started generating that image. Important tip, change save image to preview image before running. Remember, you have limited attempts. It won't let me keep executing because there's a limited number of workflows unless you have a paid plan, so be careful with that. This is how you can easily use a workflow to create your images. If you want more text to image workflows like this, here's another free example in the program. It's very similar, also a text to image workflow. Now you know how to work in TensorArt just like you would in Comfy UI.